In this quick little tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use TinkercadPencil to make a little model that you might be able to print on a 3D printer. You're going to go to the website here, TinkercadPencil. When you're on the website, click on Sign Up for Free Account. Go ahead and type in your name, your school email address, your password, put in your month, day, and year. Make sure the password is something that you can remember. When you're ready, click Sign Up. If you sign out and come back, you can just go ahead and click Sign In and sign into your account after you've created it. Once you open up your account, you have your dashboard, and here it will show you all the designs. Now you probably don't have any designs because you just started, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to start a new design. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click on New Design. Now it might take a couple minutes for your design to open up because these computers are kind of old, but go ahead and click on Create New Design. It took about 2 minutes for my work plane to open, but now it's open. This little grid is where I'm going to build my 3D model. Over here on the right are all the different parts and pieces that I can add to my 3D model. We're going to start with a hole for where our pencil is going to go into. So we're going to scroll down to Hole and click on Cylinder Hole. On your worksheet, it tells you the exact size you need for your cylinder hole. We're going to use that exact size and make this cylinder that size. So as you saw, I just click and dragged the shape onto the work plane. Be patient. As I said, the program does run kind of slow. If you want, you can use your center wheel and you can scroll in and zoom in to get a little closer. We've got to make sure our hole is 8 by 8. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to drag in and use those little squares to make our pencil topper hole the right size. This hole right here will change how high our hole for the pencil topper is. We want it 15. So we want it 8 by 8 by 15. Okay, now we want to make the body of our pencil topper. We could use a box, we could use a cylinder. I'm going to choose a box and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drag it in. Now on your worksheet it tells you what size to make your box. It says 17 by 17. So you go ahead and again you click on the little box and you make it 17 by 17. And it's a little tricky sometimes, but get it to be the right size. You also want to make sure it's the right height. It has to be 17 high. So we go ahead and we make it 17 millimeters. Alright, now what we want to do is we want to put this hole inside the box. So we click on the hole, we hold down the Shift key on our keyboard, and then we click on the box. We come up to where it says Adjust, and we click Align. Now, you want to try to click on these little tabs here. We're going to click on the center one there, and the center one there, and if it says Aligned, it should be aligned. I can click on my right mouse button and go down and see that I now have a hole inside my box. Now what I can do is I can add some things to my box. If I want to put a hole in my box or a box hole, I can go ahead and drag in one of those holes that we just used and I can make that whatever size I want, and now I can go ahead and I can put a little dent into my pencil topper. Alright, just making sure that I don't touch that little line. If I want to add a tube or a letter, I can go ahead and I can drag a letter in here. Alright, and I can put a letter on top. If I want to move parts up, I click on the little triangle and move parts up. If I want to add my name, I could add maybe my initials. I can move this around if I want by clicking on the right mouse button. If I want to rotate parts, I can click on the little arrows and rotate the parts. As we talked about in class, we don't want things to overhang too much off the side of our little design. So something like that would not work because there's nothing under here to support that. But what I could do is I could put it on a slight angle like that and then slowly move it in and over. So I've got a little bit of an indent. But go ahead and play around. When you think you've got your design, show it to your teacher. Again, be patient. The program does kind of run a little slow on these older computers. And if you have questions, raise your hand and I'll be happy to help you. But have fun.